ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಆಭರಣ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ವಿಂಟರ್ ವಿಸ್ಮಯ ಆಫರ್ಗಳು ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಗಾಗಿ ಲಭ್ಯವಿದೆ. ವಿಂಟರ್ ವಿಸ್ಮಯ ಆಫರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಲ್ಕಿ ವಜ್ರಾಭರಣಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ 10% ಕಡಿತ, ಡಿವೈನ್ ಆಭರಣ, ವಾಚ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪರ್ಫ್ಯೂಮ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ 10% ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ಇದೆ. ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು ತಮ್ಮ ಹಳೆಯ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನು ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳೆ ಚಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ₹100 ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ವಜ್ರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ಗೆ ₹7,000, ಚಿನ್ನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ₹200 ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕಿಲೋಗೆ ₹2,000 ಕಡಿತವಿದೆ. ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 11ರಂದು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 25ರವರೆಗೆ ಈ ಆಫರ್ಗಳು ಲಭ್ಯ ಇದ್ದು ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು ಈ ವಿಂಟರ್ ವಿಸ್ಮಯ ಆಫರ್ಗಳ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಭರಣ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸದ ಚಿನ್ನ, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ, ವಜ್ರದ ಆಭರಣಗಳ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಸಂಗ್ರಹವಿದೆ. ಎಂಸಿಒಪಿಎಸ್ನ ವಜ್ರ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವದ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಕಮಿಟಿಯು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 13ರಂದು ಎಂಸಿಒಪಿಎಸ್ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನದ ಜಾಗತಿಕ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಹಿಯು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯಕರಣದ ವರ್ಷದ ಸ್ಮರಣಾರ್ಥವಾಗಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿತು. ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಹಯೋಗ ಮಾಹಿಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕರುಣಾಕರ್ ಎ ಕೋಟೆಗಾರ ವಸ್ತು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ ರಾವ್, ಉಪಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಭಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರಾದ ಅನೂಪ್ ನಾಹಾ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
very, very strong. So in that context, what he said is very, very apt for pharmacy. But I just like to add one more. Pharmacy is the one that unites entire profession globally, worldwide. But the practice is different. The practice in the United States is different. Practice of pharmacy in Middle East is different. Practice of pharmacy in, I could see that Ireland and then the United Kingdom is different. Australia is totally different. The best way for us to learn is, kind of a postal code to put it. I should congratulate our Anup and his team. They have tried to put the different wings, the kind of education what we have in every state of the foreign countries. I imparting the students to meet the requirements of the state in terms of the practice of pharmacy. And then again I say that the pharmacy is the one that unites the entire profession which is spread through the world. So thank you very much given this opportunity. I want to wish
is known for globalization from the day one of its inception. In 1953, when our founder, Dr. T.M.A. Pai, started this great institution, he started a medical college, and during those days, there were international students from Malaysia who has taken admission for their medical education here in the first batch. That means MAHE, on the day of inception, with international students, it started. And today we have more than 3,500 students from 60 plus countries who are studying in this great institution. India, for that matter, if you see, I always say if you want to travel world, you have to travel India. Because from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the diversity can be seen. And every state of India is represented in Manipur. And even though it is in state Karnataka, how many people can really speak Kannada here is a challenge, including Anup Nahas. Right? Because yesterday I was talking to him in Kannada, but he could not reply even single word. Why I am saying this? MAHE, diversity are synonyms. MAHE and diversity are synonyms. And why we need to know that? Because during your 4 years of degree, if you are exposed to such a global world, you will become global citizen. What do you mean by global citizen? Am I acceptable to everybody? That's very important. Okay, global citizen means there are several skill sets which one has to acquire to call themselves or to qualify themselves as a global citizen. But very important thing is adaptability. Whether I am adaptable to any culture, any language, any food, any costumes, I am okay with it. Or do I have a prejudiced mindset? No, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. If you have that, that means you are not a global citizen. Once you are a global citizen, that means you are accepting everything as it is. You love, you embrace, and you respect. That is the culture of MAHE. And we want all our students to embrace that global citizenship as one of the skill set which is offered here. And World RX is one such event which will take you to different part of the world virtually, but you are physically here. And when Professor Naha discussed